Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we are going to be making a color wheel. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need a ruler, something circular to trace, a pencil, and colors. Today I'm going to be using oil pastels. Go ahead and take your circular item and trace it. When you're tracing something, don't hold your pencil at the bottom, but hold it in the middle or towards the end so it's easier to fit your hand all the way around the item. Okay, here I have my circle. Next, I'm going to draw an X in my circle. And then I also need to divide one of the areas in half. So I like to draw a line down the center. This way I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections to my color wheel. It is okay if one area is bigger than another. It doesn't matter at all. Let's go ahead and get started coloring. We're going to have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple going in a circle. It doesn't matter which one of these is red and which one is the other colors. It's totally up to you, as long as they go in that order. So I'm going to go ahead and use my red color I have here. And I'm going to start in 1. I'm going to outline the shape and color it in. Oh guys, do y'all see that? I made a mistake. It went outside the line right there, but it's okay. Since this is a color wheel, it's going to blend into the next color next to it, so it's really okay if it goes over the line. So again, let's outline the shape and keep going. So it totally looks fine when it blends together like that. I like to rotate my paper and turn it as I go around in my circle. Right. Next is green. I could do like a light green, a dark green. It's really up to me. And it's really up to you which kind of shade of green and blue you want to do when we get there. You see how there was a little yellow over there and the green? They blend so well together. Next is blue. And then lastly, I've got purple. Let's see, I'll use purple. Now that you've created a color wheel, it's up to you what else you do with your paper. You can decorate it however you'd like. You can draw whatever you want around it if you want. I'm going to go ahead and add some fun designs on the outside of mine with their color. And if I have like different shades of a certain color, this would be a fun time to play around with those. I really love how oil pastels blend together. Check your hand because you'll notice your fingers might get messy. Definitely check your sleeves if you keep your hand and let it lay on the table. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like an orange yellow. I'm gonna use it on this yellow too. Like a light green. Ooh, yes. And if you're missing one of these secondary colors, you can always mix the two primary colors together to create it. And here I have a fun color wheel. Yay! Till next time, class. Keep being creative.